Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make a logo on Canva mobile app. It's really fast and easy, and it really doesn't matter if you're using iPhone or Android because the process will be pretty much the same, right? So let's go ahead and open Canva app, and then on the search just write logo, and here you will see a lot of templates here that you can choose from. And if you press on the little filter button on the top left corner, you can filter out logo templates by, as you can see here, a lot of categories: business, beauty, illustration, company, fashion, icon, and there's a lot of basically options that you can choose from. So for example, let's select business, press apply, and you will see all the business related logo templates that you can choose from. So for example, let's select this one, bullish signal, and here is your template. And here you can do a bunch of different things. So for example, if you want to change text, you just need to tap on the text and tap again, and now you can write new words here. And when you tap and highlight the text on the bottom, it will be the menu only for the text that you can modify. For example, you can change font, you can change font size, font color, you can change format, spacing, also transparency, position, and more. And also you can, if you tap on another, for example, text, you can delete that text. Also you can change color of the shapes. And also if you press plus icon here on the bottom left corner, you can add new elements. For example, let's add the sun here, and you can move around, maximize, minimize, and do a bunch of different things. So for example, I will delete this. I will tap on the element, and also I can add more stuff. Just write on the search here. Also you can add frames, you can upload new photos, add new text, and do a bunch of different things only on the Canva app. And when you satisfied with your logo, what you can do here, you can press on download button on the top right corner and press download. You can select file type, you can select basically the size of the file, and also you can make transparent background if you have a Canva free trial or you have Canva Pro, and just press download and your logo, and you will have your logo on your phone or tablet, right? So guys, that's pretty much it what I wanted to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.